What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel. I'm back with another Battle of the Boxes where we're going to unbox the 3 leading motocross dirt bike subscription boxes. These come to your door every month. They're based on what sizes and choices that you signed up for when you go to their site. We've got Prime Moto, Moto Delivered, and the Brat Box. We're going to start off with Prime Moto this month. As you can see, these are always sealed. I never take a peek at these until this video. Alright, Moto or Prime Moto. First of all, I see a Keurig cup. This one says Getch Done Coffee Co. I always use these. I am a caffeinated person. We also have a new coffee cup to drink that coffee from. Got the Prime Moto logo on it. It's got like a ceramic bottom, black and tan. We have what looks to be a one-size-fits-all beanie from Rocky Mountain ATV. We have a Get Shit Done, Make America Grind Again bracelet. And then we have the tee here. Let's pop it open and have a look. FMF House of Power, red, white, and blue themed. If I can get it open. Once again, these tees are going to come in the size you sign up for, which is really cool, guys. You don't have to worry about ever getting things that aren't your size or your style or your brand. So that is this month's Prime Moto. Now we're going to move on to Moto Delivered. Okay, we've got some goodies right here on top. Life Without Brakes decal. We've got a Complete the Kit card, so this is going to be pretty cool. We'll get back to this in a second. This interests me as a content creator. We have an Action Cam hard case from OGIO. So it looks like this thing has foam inside it that you can pluck out and put your Action Cam and accessories on. And we know OGIO makes awesome stuff. They have a lifetime warranty on almost all their stuff. Big zippers. Have the dongles here to grab onto. Looks like there's a shoulder strap to go with this as well. So it's a soft case, but it's got the body on top as well. So this is where it gets interesting, guys. We've got an O'Neal jersey here. I do like the colors. Black and almost like a bluish gray. But what are you going to do with just a jersey? Don't worry, because right here you have a Complete the Kit card. So you have a QR code, you're going to get 30% off. So if you decide you want the pants to go with this jersey, you're going to be able to get the pants. Sorry guys, I had a camera battery die there, but what I was getting at is you can pick up these matching pants to the jersey you got in the box for 59 bucks. Just use this card. And then lastly, we have Pro Bar Bolt Organic Energy Chews and Strawberry. I'm about to break these out here in just a minute. All right, next, the Brat Box. Okay, the Brat Box tissue paper. Right here on top, we've got a code to use at AOMC.mx to save 15% off your order. We've got some carbo fuel from Rhino Power. We've got the clear Rhino Power water bottle. I use these in black. I like that they have clear ones now. So we have a Fly Racing Kinetic Fuel jersey. This color is rust. I actually have this whole gear set already, so this works out really nice because now I've got an extra jersey for this gear set. Muck Off HCB1, the ultimate corrosion barrier for bicycles, motorcycles, and power sports. We're also getting a Fly Racing lanyard, Brat Box decals, stickers actually, that you can't get anywhere besides the Brat Box. And then just like usual, you get this month's Racer X magazine, guys. So I'm going to put the links to these down below. Please leave a comment. Let me know which one of your boxes are the favorite. What do you like? What do you not like? Do you have any ideas about these? They check these comments, so read them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ryan with the MXG channel.